After purchasing Business Contact Extractor, you will receive the extension download file, your license key, and installation instructions by email. In this video, we will show you how to install and activate the extension in Google Chrome. First, open the email and select the download button to save the zip file to your computer. Before extracting the file, create a permanent folder inside Documents or another safe location outside your Downloads folder. You can name this folder Business Contact Extractor. Now, return to your Downloads folder and right-click the downloaded zip file. Select Extract All, then choose the permanent folder you just created as the destination. Select Extract to complete the process. Do not delete, rename, or move this folder after installation because Google Chrome needs it to run the extension. Next, open Google Chrome. You can select the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, open Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. This will open the Chrome Extensions page. Turn on Developer Mode using the switch in the top right corner. Now, select Load Unpacked. Find and open the permanent folder where you extracted Business Contact Extractor. Make sure you select the folder containing the extension files, then click Select Folder. Business Contact Extractor will now appear on your Chrome Extensions page. Next, select the extensions icon in the Chrome toolbar. Find Business Contact Extractor and select the pin icon. This keeps the extension visible and makes it easier to access whenever you need it. Now, select the Business Contact Extractor icon to begin activation. Enter the license key provided in your purchase email, along with the requested details. Check that all the information is correct, then select Activate License. Once your license is verified, the extension will be unlocked and ready to use. Your installation and activation are now complete. Watch the next tutorial to learn how to find and organize publicly available business contacts from Google search results.